back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to do a makeup butterfly inspire look by these three new palettes from Colourpop. And I haven't really done any makeup tutorials in a while because I've been kind of busy with life, and I am 26 weeks pregnant. But yeah, I am due on October 17th and I can't wait. Okay, it's okay. So this is how it looks. It looks so pretty. This is Aura Now. You can see that. And then we have Miss Bliss. Alright, so I hope you guys like this video. Let's just get started with the video then. Alright, so I'm gonna try to use all three palettes. So this is how it looks. I love the glitter. Like, the glitter is awesome. It's amazing. And this is how the green one looks. This is Aura Now. Aura. And then this one is in a trance. It's so beautiful. Like, the colors are so amazing. Alright. That's how they look. Now I'm going to try to do a pastel butterfly. I haven't really seen a pastel butterfly, so I'm going to try to do that with using just the three Colourpop. So I already primed my lid with the e.l.f. hydrating primer, and I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place, and this is like the shade of this is shade 18. So I'm just gonna apply this on my lid. This is small, so I'm just gonna apply this on my lid. I'm gonna try to focus on one eye, and I'm gonna try to do the other eye off camera, so it'll be easier for me. I'm just gonna use like a little sponge. I'm gonna use Young Love from Aura Now. I'm just gonna apply this like as a base. Go with Own Your Power. I'm gonna use this shade. So I'm gonna go with Future Self on the same palette. I'll put this in the middle of my eye look. So the color is kind of like it looks like matte, but it has like a little glitter touch to it, and it looks so beautiful. I'm gonna use like a mixture of these three colors. So it'll be Vibe, New Age, and Soul Sister. I'm gonna try to use all these three colors like a mix, and I'll put it in the inner corner of my eye. Kind of change it like a little with my concealer, and I'm gonna use this Juvia's Place. I think that's exactly what it is. But I'm using it as an eyeliner. I don't know if it's meant for an eyeliner, so I'm just gonna use it as an eyeliner. Alright, so I know we left off. I was using like the Juvia's Place black liner. I don't know if it's an eyeliner. I'm not sure. It's called like an eyebrow, something for the eyebrows or something. I'm not sure. But I found my Colourpop liquid liner. Thank God. This is gonna make it so much easier for me. So I'm just gonna do this eye. We'll have to clean this up first, and then I'm gonna do the liner, and I'm gonna show you guys how I did the white on this side. So I'll be back. Let me just do this liner off camera. With the black liner, and I'm gonna use the NYX white eyeliner. And mine's kind of dry, but I'll try to do my best. So I'm gonna begin with like all my big dots first, and then my small dots. And how I'm doing the big dots, I'm just like applying a little bit more pressure. I forgot the lines. Hold on. So I'm gonna do my big dots first. So now I'm just gonna do like the little dots. So I'm just gonna add little small dots in the line and on the line. Go with my Lily lashes, and I believe this is the style tease. Yeah, so I'm just gonna apply these bad boys on off camera, and then I'll have the lashes. And I am going to apply the BH Cosmetics Power Pencil on the color white. And I'll put this on my lower lash line. So big. So I'm gonna go with my other BH Cosmetics Power Liner, Power Pencil, and the color black. And I'm gonna put this on like above my eyelash, right inside. Alright, so I'm gonna use Law of Attraction in the palette of Miss Bliss. I'm gonna use like this little glitter. I love it. And I'm just gonna apply this like right in the inner corner. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Let me see, I can. You know what? I'm just gonna do it. Beautiful. But this one, Daydream Baby. I'm gonna put this in the outer core with Own Your Power. And I want to put this in the outer. I'm gonna see how it looks. This color. And I'll put it in the middle of it. I'm gonna go with Fresh Cut. And I'll put it in like in the outer corner. And then I'm using Soul Sister in the inner corner too. I already show you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. I rate these palettes 10 out of 10. All three palettes 10 out of 10. These are amazing. The pigmentation, the glitter, everything is amazing. The packaging is so soft. And no, this video is not sponsored. I'm just reviewing the makeup that I have bought. And I hope you guys like this video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe down below, please. So I'm going to try to be more consistent with my videos. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye!